Our mission here in Houston is to get everybody to talk together instead of working in silos, whether it's law enforcement, physical security, cybersecurity. We think everybody needs to collaborate and share information. In the past, it's really been very silo-like. People know things are happening, but it's not very well shared. And we feel it's our mission to get everyone together.
We are tasked with working computer intrusions, whether it's national security or criminal, IPR, intellectual property, innocent images, which is more child porn related, and also theft of trade secrets and internet fraud. You can imagine my squad gets the majority of the complaints in the field division because pretty much we touch everything, whether it's a criminal or national security matter.
Well, working with the InfraGard benefits the FBI from multiple areas. One, it helps us in information sharing, it helps us with partnership, and it helps us address the emerging threats that we're seeing in the cyber industry.
They say you get what you pay for. Now, what do you get for free? Okay, not much sometimes. However, in InfraGard, as you can notice the spelling there, they left the U out. The only thing that's missing is U. Somebody came up with that slogan. So, well, yeah, we do need you to join. And the reason being is that's another pair of eyes and ears that are out there in the community that hear things, see things, and be able to report things in a way and a mechanism that will get the message out to the people that need to have that information. Because we're all looking for those pieces of the puzzle that make that big picture of what's going on. We had situations that I've been experienced with, both when I was in the FBI, even when I was a police officer in Dallas before getting into the FBI, and also with Shell Oil, that little things turn out to be big things because somebody said something. One of the big things about the InfraGard program is the sharing of information and the networking that has allowed Shell to reach out to other organizations, not just in the oil and gas industry, but the variety of different companies that are associated with InfraGard.
My message to you today is going to be that especially as business people, you need to think hard about that. You need to sort of move with that changing definition and find a way to do two things for your company. To do two things for your organization, if it's a state and local organization. First of all, you do have to meet the requirements. You do have to meet the expectations of your customer, of your public, of your board. If you're an elected official, the people that you have to satisfy those customers, and that means preparing for, responding to, recovering from an attack or a major disaster. But secondly, and we'll come to this at the end and then may take a couple of questions, you have got to do it in a way that makes fiscal sense. You can't just throw money at the issue because there's not going to be enough money to throw at the issue in the long term. Because the money available to everybody, federal, state, local, private industry, all of them, they're going to have fewer and fewer resources in the future, not more and more. Well, I've been working with InfraGard for several years, and I just find it outstanding. First of all, it's very easy. It's open to anybody. This is no closed society. It's open to any American citizen who's willing to do an FBI background check to make sure that we're not letting bad guys in to sit in on the meeting. Secondly, you should understand it's not any big classification. You're not going to get a secret decoder ring or anything like that. But what you will do is be in a situation where, because of the background check and because we know that your interest is legitimate, you are able to share information which businesses need to know from place to place. I mean, it's very important for one business to know what kind of scams another business is seeing. Now, I don't expect to see anything that's going to compromise competitiveness within businesses. We're very careful about that. And there's no sharing of information that might pose a problem, a public problem. But there is a chance to kind of let your hair down and say, this is something we've seen. These are challenges with our employees. These are challenges when we work overseas, and see what other people have, what solutions other people have worked up. I find it very useful.
What we've done today is we've made an outreach to non-InfraGard members in the Houston area that are owners of critical infrastructure. And the purpose is to bring people in and to show them the benefits of being part of the organization for sharing and collaboration to protect the critical infrastructure of the United States.